Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen is too dark in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using a 17, a 37 or a 57, are you facing the issue that your screen's brightness is too dark or it's too dim? So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, go ahead to your settings here, go to battery and make sure that your battery saver is in disabled. Your battery saver or your power saver or power saving mode has been disabled from here. It's not set it on standard or on maximum. Just disable it. Then go back, go to display and make sure that you have set it brightness to maximum. You can also increase or decrease your brightness level from here, but you're facing the issue that you have maximized it, your brightness adjuster or your brightness light bar, but it's still too dim. So what you have to do now, you have to go back, go to accessibility, go to vision enhancement or visual enhancement in your phone, scroll down, you must see extra dim option here. Click on it and just disable this. Once you have disabled, now you can see that my phone's brightness is increased or you can see the difference by enabling or disabling this extra dim from here. So once I've disabled extra dim, now you can easily get in the increased brightness or your issue has been fixed. You have a high brightness here. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're facing too dark brightness level of your screen in a 17, 37 or 57. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.